If you think a Class C motorhome has to be 30 feet long, packed with slide-outs and stressful to park, the 2026 Thor Four Winds 19Z is built to prove the opposite. It stays just over 20 feet, but it still delivers the core things people buy a motorhome for. Sleeping space, a kitchen you can cook in, a full bathroom, and systems that let you stop and settle fast. Here's the first payoff. The 19Z is not a big RV experience. It is a compact, usable Class C experience. Car Hub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans. Start with the foundation. The 19Z sits on the Ford E-Series cutaway chassis with the 7.3-liter V8 gas engine. This is a proven work platform designed to carry coach weight and stay easy to service in more places. The coach uses a dual rear-wheel setup, which helps stability and tracking. You feel that when crosswinds hit, when large trucks pass, and when the pavement is uneven. The footprint is the advantage. Length is about 20 feet 5 inches. Width is roughly 7 feet 10 inches without mirrors. Height is around 10 feet 8 inches with the roof air conditioner. That size is what makes fuel stations, quick grocery stops, older campgrounds with shorter sites, and tighter parking situations feel manageable. In the cab, you get the daily driving tech most buyers want. There is a 7-inch touchscreen dash radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so navigation, calls, and audio run through the screen the way you are used to. There is a backup monitor for reversing. You also get keyless entry, power windows, power locks, and cruise control for highway driving. For practical road use, the exterior mirrors are the Deluxe style for better visibility. Stainless wheel liners plus valve stem extenders make tire checks and air top-offs easier on the dual rear wheels. Now the exterior functions because long-term ownership depends on the shell. The coach uses a welded tubular aluminum cage for the roof and sidewalls. Roof, walls, and floor are laminated with insulation to help temperature control and structure stiffness. The roof is a premium one-piece domed roof membrane, designed to reduce seams and encourage water runoff. You also get one-piece fiberglass caps at the front and the upper rear, which add protection in high-exposure areas. For campsite comfort, there is a power patio awning with LED lighting. One button gives you shade, and the built-in LEDs give you usable light outside without extra lanterns, plus an exterior grab handle. The entry door includes a deadbolt lock for security when you are sleeping. Exterior storage uses lighted compartments so you can actually see what you are grabbing at night. The compartment doors are flush mount radius style for a clean, simple finish. Step inside. Interior height is about 80 inches, so it feels open for a compact Class C. The floor is residential-style vinyl for easy cleanup. Lighting is LED throughout to reduce battery draw while keeping the interior bright. Countertops are pressed laminate. Cabinetry is two-tone to keep the space bright without looking plain. The layout centers on the rear U-dinette. This is your main seating lounge, your dining table zone, and your work surface for a laptop. When you need sleeping capacity, the U-dinette converts into a bed, so the same space becomes a sleeping plan at night. Up front is the cab-over sleeping area, the classic Class C bunk space that saves floor space. Thor includes a telescoping bunk ladder to make access straightforward. For entertainment, there is a 32-inch smart TV mounted on a manual swivel, so you can angle it toward the dinette for viewing and then swing it out of the way when you are done. There is also a digital TV antenna for over-the-air channels. If you want to add satellite later, there is a satellite mounting backer in the roof. Now the kitchen, because compact coaches only work if the kitchen is functional. Cooking is handled by a 2-burner gas cooktop. The glass cover adds counter space when you are not cooking. Above it is a range hood with a task light, so you get ventilation and visibility. For fast meals, there is a convection microwave with an air fryer function, which supports baking, crisping, and reheating without always using the cooktop. The sink is a large single-bowl stainless steel sink with a pull-down sprayer faucet for rinsing dishes and cleaning. A stainless sink cover adds more prep space. There is also a flip-up countertop extension, which adds real workspace for meal prep in a small coach. Cold storage is handled by a 12-volt refrigerator designed to run efficiently on the RV electrical system, including while driving and during short stops. The bathroom is a wet bath, meaning the shower and toilet share one waterproof room to save space. You get a foot-flush toilet. The shower includes a skylight for headroom and natural light. There are robe hooks for towels and clothes. A powered bath vent pulls moisture and odors out, which matters in a compact wet bath. Now the systems that make the 19Z function day-to-day: power, climate, and water. Power starts with a 30-amp shoreline power cord for campground hookups. When you plug in, the coach can run its main electrical loads from shore power. When you are not plugged in, the 19Z includes a 4,000-watt dual fuel generator that can run on gasoline and LP. An automatic transfer switch with power protection manages switching between shore power and generator power, so you do not have to manually swap plugs. Solar prep is included, with a roof backer and wiring routed to the kitchen base cabinet, making solar upgrades easier later. There is also a battery disconnect switch, which helps reduce parasitic drain and protect the battery during storage. Climate control includes a roof front air conditioner rated around 13,500 BTU for cooling, plus a furnace rated around 19,000 BTU for heat. Water uses a tankless water heater for on-demand hot water, so hot water is produced as it flows instead of relying on a small tank that can run out quickly. Tank capacities are compact and weekend-focused, about 20.5 gallons fresh, about 17 gallons gray, and about 16 gallons black. For dumping and maintenance, there is a black tank flush system to rinse after dumping, a 360-degree holding tank vent cap to help airflow and odor management, and a dedicated fresh water tank drain for draining and winterizing. Thor also lists holding tank wiring prep for optional tank heat pads and cold weather upgrades. Safety equipment includes smoke detection, LPG detection, and carbon monoxide detection, plus a fire extinguisher on board. Overall storage. Exterior storage is through lower side compartments with flush doors and interior lighting, used mainly for the power cord, water hose, and a small toolkit. Inside, overhead cabinets above the U-dinette and kitchen have RV latches, and they're best for bedding, snacks, and cups or plates. In the kitchen base area, drawer storage uses road-safe latches and is meant for utensils, small cooking tools, and everyday small items you want easy access to. That is the 2026 Thor Four Winds 19Z. Ford E-Series V8 power, dual rear wheels for stability, compact exterior dimensions, modern cab tech with CarPlay and Android Auto, durable laminated construction with a one-piece domed roof membrane, and fiberglass caps, a power awning with LED lighting, lighted exterior storage, an open interior with an 80-inch height, a rear U-dinette that converts to a bed, a cab-over bunk with a telescoping ladder, a swivel-mounted smart TV with antenna and satellite backer, a kitchen designed around usable counter space, a wet bath with venting and skylight, and complete power, climate, and water systems with smart prep for solar and cold weather upgrades. If you want more motorhome breakdowns like this, hit the like button, subscribe to Car Hub, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next review. Comment below. Would you choose a compact Class C like the 19Z, or do you still prefer a bigger coach with more space?